Hello everybody, this video is going to be very similar to the last one I did, which was called Point of View in Academic Writing. So let's take a look here. Number one, try not to use first person. I've gone over that before, so again try to stay away from I think that, or I believe that, or in my opinion. However, it is okay to give it if you're to use I if you're going to use personal examples for support in your paragraph or essay. Next, again, avoid addressing readers as you. It's informal. Go ahead and read over that. I also discussed it more in depth in the other video. Number three, avoid using contractions. Try to spell out your words. Instead of can't, use cannot. And instead of isn't, use is not. It just makes your paper sound a little more formal, not so informal as though we were having a speaking conversation. A speaking conversation, that kind of redundant, but you know what I mean. Number four, don't use slang. Try to stay away from it. Instead of kids, use children. Instead of, oh, it was no big deal, say, it was not a problem. So here are some words to avoid because it weakens your paper. It makes it sound more informal. Excuse me. Next, use standard diction. His self, anyways. Those are not words. You should say himself, anyway, without the S. So stay away from that. Try to have a more formal. Yeah, oh, and I did want to say, please don't use ain't in your paper. It should say am not. Next, abbreviations are okay to me, but instead of photo, they want you to use photograph, phone, telephone, TV, use television. This will just make your paper stronger as well. Here, try not to use a lot of simple sentences. It gets redundant, it gets boring. Try to use compound sentences and complex sentences. Alright, and then the last part here, the last part for the final comments is use your own language though. I don't want you to use a thesaurus and use words that you don't normally use. Should your vocabulary be more formal? Yes. But don't try to use long words to make the paper sound good, especially if it doesn't flow or mesh well with how you usually speak or write. So it's a fine line. Yes, be formal, but don't be so pretentious or sophisticated that it doesn't fit within your normal language. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I hope the other video helps. Take care.